Alright, you guys, I need some feedback. Would you like me to upload 2 videos a week? If I can, I will try, but one video will be a quick tip video and the other video will be a regular video. Let me know, comment down below. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today I've got a quick tip for you again, and the quick tip is if you have dry and chapped lips, no need to go out and buy an expensive scrub. You can instead scrub your lips with a toothbrush. And there you have it. So when you brush your teeth, brush it like normal and then give it a few scrubs, I guess, around your lips, and there you go. And that's my quick tip for you. Thank you so very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here, or you can subscribe if you haven't already, which is right here, or you can catch me on my last video, which is right here. Thank you so very much for watching. I upload videos every Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.